Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report for the 5th to the 9th of June 2017, presented by the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments and a trade watch list for the week ahead, as well as portfolio performance, trading performance update using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodity trading, as internationally respected experts. Our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please visit www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Commodity market outlook and trade watch list for the week ahead. Our featured market this week is gold. Gold prices hit a 5-week high on Friday off the back of weaker than expected non-farm payroll data, which showed 138,000 jobs were created in the month of May, well below expectations for gains of 181,000 jobs. Now, this has been the 4th consecutive week of gains for gold. We also saw on Friday the US dollar breaking down to 6-month lows. Now, the resilience in the price of gold has been very strong recently in the face of the equity markets, where we've seen the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500 all breaking out to all-time highs. However, gold has still managed to remain relatively stable, holding a lot of underlying support. So what can we expect next for gold? Gold closed on Friday at $1,278 per ounce. It was a 1% gain on Friday, and in fact gold is now up 11% so far in 2017. It was noteworthy that gold in other currencies did break out and close above the April highs on Friday. We are getting closer and closer now to a potential retest of the 1300s. Gold is currently only just over $20 away from retesting the April highs and potentially breaking towards $1,300 per ounce. Now, we do have a number of major news items that we need to be aware of as we go into next week. One of those which could be supportive for gold is James Comey, the former director of the FBI, who is due to testify before the Senate next Thursday. That could be another major support for the gold market. We are likely to see continued turmoil in Washington, D.C. in the lead up to James Comey testifying. This is part of the committee's ongoing investigation into alleged Russian meddling in the US presidential election and possible collusion with President Trump's campaign. So this is the first time James Comey will be speaking since he was fired by President Trump on May the 9th. So again, we could get some volatility. Certainly that initial statement on the 9th of May caused gold to break out significantly. So that could be another supportive factor as we go into next week. Next week, we also have the European Central Bank holding its monetary policy meeting on Thursday, and of course we have the UK election. So there is a lot happening next week. Likely we're going to get some big trading opportunities here. Certainly these news items are likely to cause volatility and also opportunity with that, and gold is definitely a market that you want to have on your radar as we go into next week. So as I mentioned, in terms of key levels that we are looking at as we go into next week, there would be the potential for a push higher here. If gold is able to continue this momentum to the upside, we would be looking for a retest. First of all, $1,280 per ounce would be a key level for gold to get to in the short term. Above that level, we could see then clean air for a retest back towards the 1300s and back towards the April highs. And of course, if we were to break above that level, this is where the momentum with gold could really start to increase to the upside. In terms of downside for gold at the moment, we could see a retracement next week. It really depends on whether we see Friday's high get get breached in the early part of next week. It is possible that after the big surge on non-farm payroll, depending on the strength or weakness on the US dollar in the early part of next week, we could see a little bit of backing and filling here for gold, but ultimately we are expecting some big moves here. If you would like to get on the back of these with the Gold and Silver Club, with our exact entry, our exits, our take profit targets, the whole trade management of every single trade, including access to our private members live trading room and our institutional level commodities research, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session. We will provide you with full details of how you can make an application and become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Portfolio performance, trading performance update using our exclusive research-driven strategies. One of the top trades over the last week has been capitalizing on the continued momentum to the downside here on crude oil following on from the OPEC meeting at the end of May. We entered yet another sell short position at the beginning of last week, which has banked us 240 points profit. Would you like access to highly profitable live trade ideas shared with you, ready to implement for instant results? Whether you're a new trader looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and fast track your results, or even if you're an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, then the private members live trading room is definitely for you. As a member of the private members live trading room, you get access to exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the commodity markets right in front of you, picking out highly profitable trade setup, sharing exact entry, exit points, profit and stop loss targets, as well as walk you through live trade ideas ready to implement for instant results. You get access to real-time trade notifications alerting you when to enter a trade. All notifications include exact details of where to enter, exit, place a stop loss. All trade notifications are sent out in advance notice to ensure you have plenty of time to get into every single position at the best possible price to maximize profits. And of course, you get access to our commodity research and market insights. So private members get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market insights to help you boost your win rate and ensure you're on the right side of every trade. Our trading research is guaranteed to give you the ultimate edge in the commodity markets and fast track your results. The private members live trading room includes exclusive weekly live trading room webinars, live trade setups ready to implement for instant results. You get real-time trade notifications by email and SMS so you never miss a profitable trade. You get exact details of where to enter, exit and place your stop loss on each trade, a weekly trading plan with a watch list of trade ideas for the week ahead, live trade support to help you successfully through each trade, and institutional level trading research and commodity insights to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com. Complete the application form and we'll get in touch with you ASAP. So with that, we wish you a fantastic week, good trading, and of course we very much look forward to working with those of you who will be making an application and joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.